Today we are discussing another model, Qwen 2.5 with 32 billion parameters. This model of course is coming from Qwen 2.5 family and its main purpose is creative text generation. And it works that job quite well. So now we are going to test it. I'm going to use LM Studio, and if you don't have this model installed, please check this fourth button on the left, model search, and look for Qwen 2.5. And keep in mind this is not a small model, it's 18.75 gigs in size, and I already downloaded, so I'm going to close this window, check on chats, and I'm going to load this model now. Qwen 2.5. Wait a minute. Alright, first I'm going to ask. Basically it says that it's a general purpose model, but this model is best known for this one. Writing assistance. So let's try it. Write me a horror story about researchers on spaceship in deep space. They found some alien parasite in frozen moon, and that parasite turned a monkey into a monster. Okay, not particularly creative on my part, but doesn't matter. Story must have at least 500 words, but less than 1000. At least 10 characters, and to describe another end of our galaxy. Alright, let's try it. So guys, if you want to write a book, you know where to look for. And now we are going to test something else with this model. I want to see how it's going to perform with different languages. Write me an article no longer than 100 words about weather condition in Europe. I want text in English, Russian, German, Japanese, Arabic and Serbian. I guess that with these first three languages went okay. Maybe with Japanese, I'm not quite sure. But this is definitely not Arabic, and this is definitely not Serbian. Something is messed up. And I'm going to delete this chat. Create another one, and I'm going to load this model once again. Alright, I'm going to test it again. So it's gonna be same task. I want to see how it's going to perform now. Obviously, translation into multiple languages, it's not the strongest side of this model. In here we are experiencing the same problem like in previous case. Check this out. I would say that English it's mostly okay, but Russian it's not. This is definitely not Russian. I would say that with German everything went well, at least on the first glance. Let's see Japanese. Once again, I'm not expert, and it definitely failed with Arabic. Okay, let's see Serbian. And in here, first thing that I can see is that it mixes a Cyrillic and a Latin alphabet. Well, from what I see, if you want model for translation, don't count too much on this one. So if I want to use this model, I would stick to English. And now I want to perform one more task. Let's see how it's gonna perform now. Write me a play in the form of dialogue of two people discussing cosmology. One is priest, another is carpenter. They are in the middle of forest, haunted by wolves. And it's snowing. Text in between 200 and 500 words. And let us spice this a little bit. Style it's horror mixed with comedy. So what's the point with this task? I want to see how it's going to perform with making dialogues. Well, yeah, that works quite well. And what is my final conclusion about this model? In regards of writing articles in multiple styles, this model is up to the job. But in regards of translation, I'm not quite sure. Overall, thumbs up for this model. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe. See ya!